trunk battery install. What we have here is some aluminum cross bracing, and that's now the pan of the trunk battery mount. So here we go. Here's my car. Oh, I can't see it too well. Rims, 9.5s in the back. And yeah. So we've got the box in. Got our 2 posts in. Yes, if you're wondering why the box is in backwards, the reason is it doesn't matter which way you put it in to jumpstart from the back. And I'm running the hot forward to a remote cutoff switch, which is right here. That's going to be mounted either in the console area or in the glove box. And so it's actually going to be running the hot under the carpet. So that's why that's there. So there it is. No battery right for the moment. Hold on.